When the past isn't so, would, a deep dive into, used to. Hello, English explorers. Today, we're going to embark on a linguistic journey into the past, focusing on the English modal verb construction, used to. It's a valuable tool in our English toolkit that can help us talk about past habits, states, and regular occurrences. There are certain situations where used to is preferred over would, and that's exactly what we're going to uncover today. So, let's jump right into it. First off, let's refresh our understanding of used to. This phrase is used when we talk about something that was true in the past but is not anymore, or something we did regularly in the past but do not do now. For example, I used to have long hair, but now, I don't. We used to go to the park every Sunday, but now, we don't. Easy, right? Now, let's see where it shines. While both would and used to can describe past habits, there are some scenarios where used to is more suitable. So, what are these situations? 1. Describing past states. Used to works great when talking about past states or conditions. Would cannot be used in this way. For example, 2. She used to be shy. Correct. 3. She would be shy. Incorrect in this context. 4. Single past actions. Used to can also refer to a single action in the past, which is not a regular event. This is something would can't do. For example, 5. I used to live in Spain. Correct. 6. I would live in Spain. Incorrect in this context. 7. Negative sentences. Used to is often chosen in negative sentences to indicate something didn't happen in the past or was not a habit. For example, 8. I used not to like spinach. Correct. 9. I would not like spinach. Incorrect in this context. The best way to master used to is through practice. Try using used to in different contexts, such as talking about your childhood, previous jobs, or old hobbies. Remember, it's all about creating a bridge between the past and the present. There you have it. While would and used to can often be interchangeable when talking about past habits, there are distinct situations where used to is the preferred choice. It's a unique, versatile tool that can add a lot of depth to your English, especially when discussing past events or conditions. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll be using used to like a pro. That's all for today, English explorers. As always, keep practicing, and I hope this video has made your English journey a bit easier. Happy learning, and I'll see you in our next linguistic adventure.